Hi everyone, welcome back to this amazing web development tutorial. I'm Ravikantsharma. In this particular video, we are going to learn about what is DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model. In the world of web, all HTML web pages are referred to as document. When HTML document is loaded in the browser, that browser may be Chrome or Edge or Safari, any other browser. When the document is loaded in the browser, it becomes a document object, and that document object represents the whole HTML document. HTML element is the root element that represents the whole HTML document. HTML DOM model or document object model is constructed as a tree of objects. By the help of document object, we can add dynamic content to our web page. Here dynamic content means like whenever we click on a particular button on the website or web, it will show an alert message, or in simple example we can say like button, dislike button, subscribe button. These are dynamic content on the web. The document object model represents each of these web pages in a tree-like structure to make it easier to access and manage the elements. The document object model or DOM represents HTML as a tree of structure of tags. It looks like this. DOM provides an API or a programming interface for JavaScript using which we can manipulate the DOM, which help to create dynamic HTML. If you don't know about the JavaScript, it is a scripting language which is used to add dynamic content to our web pages. So now let's create an DOM. How is a DOM created? DOM contains a bunch of nodes where each node represents an HTML element. The HTML tag always comes at the top and hence it is called root node. The rest of the nodes come under it and hence they are called child nodes or children nodes. The nodes present at the bottom are called leaf nodes and they are usually filled with elements like attributes, values, events. Now let's create a DOM in VS Code. First we have to declare the doc type or document type, that is HTML. Then we have to write that HTML, that is the root element of the HTML document. All the stuff of HTML is put inside the HTML root element. The head is the child node of the HTML and the title is the child node of head. Now the root node is HTML and its child is head and the head child is title. This is a DOM. Now let's come to body tag, body, and body, inside the body put a heading h1. This is a heading. Now we have a root element HTML which having two children, head and body, and the body have one children, head, heading 1, and the heading 1 have a leaf node, that is the class. Class is an attribute which is also called leaf node. So this is how a HTML DOM looks like, which consists of a root node, that is HTML element, and the HTML root element is also called the parent node, which having two children, that is head and the body. Head having one children, that is title, and body have one children, that is head, heading 1. And the heading 1 is also have a leaf node, that is class. Class is also called attribute of heading.